We're with Frank McCoy, a personal injury lawyer who has agreed to give us some free legal advice, and we're glad that you're here with us today. Frank, our next question from this viewer is, how do I value my case?
Okay, in valuing your case, there's a lot of different factors. Who the defendant is, what the act was, what caused your injury, sometimes the jurisdiction. Sometimes in Connecticut, you're in one county as opposed to another. It makes a big difference in terms of valuing it. So you should kind of know what those jurisdictions are in terms of valuing your case. All kinds of factors go into this. I think the simple answer is that when we value a case, we base it on our 40-plus years of experience handling these cases. We know all the jurisdictions in Connecticut. We have a good sense of what the cases will be worth in each jurisdiction, and we factor all the different factors in to come up with a fair value. The reason it's important to know what those values are is because when we're negotiating your case, we have to know what the true value is. We can't go in there with a value that's incorrect.
Like an inexperienced attorney might go in and ask for too much and be seen as greedy and get turned down?
Well, that's an excellent point, because a lot of times that will happen. You'll have somebody that puts an enormous value on a case that's not worth that. And that doesn't, if you just put an enormous value, that doesn't mean that's what you'll get. That likely means that a jury is going to find you greedy, or an adjuster or a defense attorney is going to look at you as inexperienced and not knowing what you're doing. So it's really important that you get a real, true value and take that value and use that to negotiate your case the best way you can.
And have a successful outcome.
That's right.